You can go by airplane or a hot air balloon to the Alps. However you get there, you will always have a wonderful time in this most spectacular part of Europe. Right behind me there's the Czech Republic. A little bit further down we border Italy. Back there is Switzerland, and not too far away from here is Germany. We are right in the center of Europe. I'm going up almost to 6,000 feet, and I will show you another version of a schnitzel up there. The fascinating thing is here in the Alps always is that you're just away an hour from a major city. We are here in Zell am See, top of the mountain at the Schmiedhof Arm, and you look around, you're surrounded by woods. Today I'm going to show you a different version of a schnitzel. It's going to be a Jägerschnitzel. Jägerschnitzel translated is a hunter's schnitzel. You go out in the woods, you bring in some mushrooms, that's the local ingredients you find, and some speck with it. Speck is the equivalent to a Italian prosciutto, and this is just a different version of a schnitzel. You find schnitzel in Austria just like you find hamburgers in America. We have some different kinds of mushrooms, some button mushrooms, roughly cut, perfectly fine, some chanterelles. Saute them here. I think it's time now for the speck. Just the flavor enhancer. I'm gonna start with the schnitzel on the other side. I have a pork loin here, pounded thinly. What I do here is I start with oil and dip it in flour a little bit. It just gives it that nice extra crust and that caramelization. And we call it also a Naturschnitzel here, what is another version of a schnitzel. So there it is, it will go nicely. Here we have the mushrooms losing all the water. It's time for some butter. The mushrooms are basically done. If you would like to keep it natural, they are ready to serve. I like lightly cream. Just gives it a nice extra texture to it. Parsley for this is perfect. Don't need to cut it very fine, chop it a little bit rough. The taste is much better of a fresh parsley leaf than having it pre-cut. Just at the end, don't need to cook anything, because parsley you can eat right away. Here the schnitzel is almost done. We just flip it over. Nice, beautiful brown crust. At the end, we give it that flavor of the brown butter. The professional kitchen, we call it the beurre noisette. It gives it a little bit the taste of nut butter. There we have it. A nice light schnitzel. We have some Spätzle now. It soaks up all that sauce from the mushrooms. And we'll put this on top of the meat. There we have it. Jägerschnitzel, a regional dish inspired by the woods, the forests around here. You can enjoy it with your family or here with new friends. Fritz, thank you for letting me cook here in the Alps.
Thank you, Erwin. It's a pleasure.
Prost.
Cheers. Prost.
Prost. Prost. beer, and wine, Chef Irwin has you covered. Visit our website at irwincooks.com. Thanks to the following for their generous support: travel provided by Austrian Airlines,